Morning guys! Morning tatay's birthday!
Birthday, tatay.
Ano sasabihin mo, Case?
Happy birthday, tatay.
Gising na. Anong oras na? 7:30. So guys, ayan, magbe-breakfast na kami. Ginising ko na sila. Let's go! At si Mami naliligo na. Morning, happy birthday! Lamig na lamig ang
Birthday, tatay.
Ang birthday celebrant, lamig na lamig. Sorry yan ang ating breakfast. Scrambled egg. Bacon. Ayan ay sausage.
Baked beans,
Wala ito.
tomato, hash brown,
Hash brown.
yogurt,
Mga yogurt. Yung mga cereals. Yung mga tinapay. Mga croissant. Ayan guys, ang aming breakfast dito. Hindi na kakain. Makita ko kayong nakakain. Busog na ako. Morning kuya. Breakfast na ito na ba?
Morning. Ako nagpasalamat sa iyong ina, Ima, sa inyong lahat ng mga anak ko na 5, sa aking mga manugang, at sa aking anim na po. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To all my lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say yeah.
What's up guys? I hope you guys are doing well. We are here at Bath and we basically just started our day right now. What the time right now is I think 11:07 and we're trying to make our way to church I think. As you can see right behind me, you have the whole family, a whole lot of people. The whole Cuetos is here with us today. Let's go to our special guest, our special celebrant, Tatay. Tay! 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 Say hello po to the vlog. Say hello po to the vlog. Happy birthday po, Tatay. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Thank you very much, mga apo,
Yes.
mga anak, sa
Nalilito.
ina, Ima.
Yan.
Maraming salamat sa inyo ha.
Yan.
At ako inyong dinala dito sa Bath.
Sa bath.
Oh,
Gusto mo magbath?
Bath.
Magligo.
Magbabath.
Ayan. Pero guys, we're gonna keep walking and then we're gonna find a way.
Lahat ng makakapanood nito.
I'll see you guys in a bit.
Ano na bagay itong ating napuntang ito, guutan. Napunta natin, ba't parang tayo nasa Haybangan ha?
Di para ka sa mga masakit sit.
Saan? Masakit sit? Saan?
Yung para magkakating class ganito itsura.
Saan? Sanay na sanay. Pakilala mo naman si Tupac Shakur. Dali, pakita mo.
Wait lang.
Pakilala mo.
Ikaw na.
Ikaw na. AJ, kuya pakilala mo si Tupac Shakur, si Eminem. Nasa likod natin.
Si Tupac. Pinapakalasan nyo. Si Tupac na topakin.
Pakita mo na ang ating kwintasin diyan, you know.
So guys, we're here now. We just made it to the market, I think, here at Bath, and we found here Asian fusion street food, Filipino.
Yun ang Pilipino.
Pero sarado pa. So baka
Hello
mamaya,
po.
tayo pupunta dito.
Ayan guys. Pakita mo.
Wala pang ready, so baka mamaya pag lunchtime na pupunta ulit tayo.
Ano nakita nyo, kuya?
Look, Philippine money.
How much?
How much? 5 pounds.
5 pesos.
Five
Philippine
peso.
money, no? Nakita ng Philippine money. Tinda dito guys sa
How much is that worth?
sa market. So ayan guys, punta kami na ng church.
Isa ninyo at ang ating tour guide ay galit na. At saka alam kong kayo masasaya na at ang inyong mga shop ay nakita nyo na ang inay Mark and Spencer.
No, Sarah.
Sara, Arerado, may entertainer, ang tatay perfumery,
Bubble tea.
at ang tita Iyan ay yung a pound.
So guys, nandito na kami sa church. We are at Catholic Church of St. John the Evangelist. And yeah, we're gonna go inside, We're gonna ask for God's blessings today. Hope that we are kept safe, and yeah, we're gonna also pray for Tatay because it's his birthday. So yeah, we're gonna see what's inside. Let's see how beautiful it is inside. So guys, we're here now. We've just finished our church visit, did some praying, and now we're here at the Toot bus. Hop on, hop off. Probably gonna do some sightseeing sa bus dito. Gawin natin. You can see all of us. This is all of us, our group. So sana it won't be too expensive. Sana we will be able to fit in this bus. But yeah, we should be good because there's no one else here. And yeah, we'll see what we're gonna see in Bath.
Inulala.
Sorama! Sorama! Ayaw, di ba?
Tupak. Anong makikita natin dito sa Bath?
Toothbus.com.
Tawag si Daddy Boy eh. Pasok na! Karibok eh, nasan ang birthday celebrant? Mga Batanggenyo, sana po mag-enjoy kayo. Ito po yung aming promo ngayon. Ayan. O, kuha po kayo ng isa. Ng promo.
Sino?
Nandito na ang dispatcher. Ano masasabi mo? Dispatcher. Kumusta naman ang ating mga turista dyan nakakapote? Gusto nyo mamasyal, oh. Chinese pa, Chinese. Ang language, iba na. AJ, ba't kayo tumaas? Walang mapanood? Ano naman masasabi ng ating mga turista dyan?
Malamig.
Tanggal na, hindi na naman naulan, tanggalin mo na yung kapote.
Lapit mo pa.
Ang mga turista. Kung saan turista?
Ayos.
Mika, ayos? Nag-enjoy?
In 2 minutes daw. Tara na.
In 2 minutes.
Saan tayo? Sa kabila. Ano ba?
Doon tayo sa kabila. Let's go. Kuya, ano masasabi niyo sa tour?
Amazing.
Amazing. JJ, ikaw? Masasabi mo sa tour natin? Beautiful. Jairus, ano masasabi mo sa ating tour?
It's very nice
Very nice.
and it's rainy.
Casey, ikaw?
It's nice.
Nice. Hailey? Bunso? Anong
Very
ano masasabi mo sa ating tour? Very nice?
Yes.
Tatay, ang birthday boy.
Very nice.
Kapag daw may gustong pumasok, ipakita lang daw ito. May discount.
Ano yun?
Just sa Roman Bath.
Ito na yun.
Oh, dyan daw.
Ayan siya. So ayan pala. Yan guys, dito pala ang Roman Bath. Dito. Yan.
Case, how you finding the stay so far? How you finding the stay so far?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You enjoying your day? Enjoying your day?
Yeah.
What did you eat, Sanandos?
The peri chips and the chicken.
Peri chips and chicken. Nice. You wanna be like this guy in the front over there? You can see there's someone who's on the tightrope. I'm singing. I'm playing the violin at the same time.
No.
You
Can't even balance.
You can't even balance. Well, if you try it hard enough, then you would be able to.
I don't want to try hard enough.
Yeah, well. Jairus, come. How are you finding your day so far?
Good.
What did you eat, Nandos? Everything.
No.
What did you eat?
Mac and cheese,
Mac and cheese,
chicken,
chicken.
Fries.
What spice was the chicken?
lemon and herb.
Lemon and herb. Okay, that's good. Enjoy.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do next?
I don't know.
You don't know. Do you know?
No.
No. No one knows where we're going. So yeah, we're just kind of idle right now. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. So guys, nandito na kami sa Roman Bath. We just finished eating. sa hindi sa Witherspoon, sa Nando's. Sarap yung pagkain, obviously. Pero yeah, we're here now. You can see over here, the Roman bath. Hindi ko alam anong plano. I think we're gonna go inside, have a little look, see the history behind this. And yeah, you can see there's a lot of people because this is kind of like central. I don't know, madaming shops dito, madaming pagkain dito. So it's a very nice place to hang around. So yeah guys, we're gonna see if we're gonna go in, and yeah, I'll catch you guys there. You? Oh. Ganado eh. Oh, happy birthday daw. Top up with tap water here. Or sinong gustong uminom? Oh, libre. May inuman dito. Sirit nyo. Wow! Makatalong kaya dyan? Amazing! Ano masasabi nyo sa nakikita mo, Jay? Wow! Wow! Sino? Ano?
Hindi nang makita.
Buhat! Patingin nga, titingnan natin. Wow! Ang ganda oh. Ano yan?
Putney Bridge.
Ganda. Let's go! Wow! Nice day, Ruth! Nandito kami ngayon sa Putney Bridge.
Hi guys. Vlog takeover kami. Hi mo natin. Yo naman. So where are we? We are here in Bath.
Vlog takeover.
Vlog takeover.
Maliligo lang kami dito sa bath kasi
Wala kami ng tubig sa bahay.
takeover muna para sa ekonomiya.
Yun naman si John.
Ay, bablog ko nga muna yung ano. Yung mga... Hello ka muna natin sa vlog ko.
Vlog takeover.
So, nag-crave sila sa taro milk tea. For kids lang pala.
For kids lang, hindi pwedeng for adult.
Kaya nga, Jillian. So, tayo mamaya is white wine.
Andyan sila. Bumibili sila ng milk tea.
So guys, nandito na kami ulit sa Asian Fusion Street Foods. Ito, Rice and Shine. So, shout out.
Pre-taste.
Yun, shoutout muna to these guys. Masarap talaga yung lechong kawali nila. I tasted it earlier. And very very nice. Nagbili din kami ng pulutan, sisig, daming sisig. Inubos na namin. Oo nga, sold out na. So we're very sure that it's gonna be very tasty. Anong name niyo po?
Kelly.
Kelly at si Kuya? Russell. Yan, si Kelly at si Russell. Shoutout to them. Dito sila sa Bath. Malapit lang sa Sainsbury's dito, sa marketplace na Bath.
Same Green Park.
Green Park Market. So yes guys. And
May pre-taste sila ng
ano ganyan?
halaya.
Halaya na ube. Yun. Ang taste? Ayos ka?
Sarap.
Yun oh. Yun oh. So guys.
Ang sarap. Tikman nyo.
Oh. So guys,
Kung may gusto ng ube halaya, punta
if
kayo
you're still here sa if you guys ever here sa Bath, especially in Green Park, come visit here. Rice and Shine, and you guys won't be disappointed. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. Kaya ganito ang mga boses nila kasi sasurpresahin namin ang tatay.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
Kamingay. Huwag kang maingay. Hindi kami makalakas ng boses kasi nandito ang tatay sa kabila sa kwarto ni na AJ. So ito ang handa namin. Handa namin. Ang hirap magsalita pag Happy birthday!
Kuya!
Oh, isa pa na happy birthday! Happy birthday, tatay ha! 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Hindi kayo titingin. 1, 2, 3. Pass.
Just open your eyes. Everybody here is your best friend. Singing happy birthday songs again.
Walang... Yan. Ito, extension room. Happy birthday to you.
Alay, bukse.
Ano yan?
Paborito ko yung bakuro pa nung...
Bukse muna.
Ano ang panahon yun eh?
Slide, hila. Nakapamango na naman.
Yan po si Jodoran.
Gusto. Happy birthday to you.
Ano ka ito? Wow, pula dapat pala. Pula eh.
Talaga.
Ang dami ng damit. Tunay na.
Ito, may eh. Wow. Nice. Ayos.
Wow!
Ano yan?
Thank you sa pa-birthday.
Bukse ha,
Amy and Jayos.
Sa bukse.
Jayos, tingnan
Buksan
mo
nyo.
nga, are.
Tatay, buksan nyo.
Tingnan mo nga, are.
Hey, tatay mo open the card. Ang sabi na nalagay sa card.
Ay, babasahin.
Sino nagsulat?
Wow, sino sulat na rin? Ano kay Hailey?
Yan kay Hindi.
Are. Wow.
Sa kanya nga daw.
Dear Tatay, happy birthday to you. I hope you have a good day. I love you, Hailey. Dear Tatay, Josie, happy birthday. Hope you have the best 69th birthday. I love you. With you every day. Chinese love you, Grandpa. Happy birthday. Okay. Parfume.
Ano yan?
Wow!
Ano yan? Ano pa mo?
Thank you. Isa dyan.
Oh.
Iyo de parfum. Thank you.
Busukis, tatay.
Kapit.
Oh, guys.
O, picture tayo sa
Video lang.
Video.
video. Yes. So, thank you.